Huh, that's weird. It looks like we're all out of oat milk. Well, that's okay. I can go pick up some from the store. All right, Presto. Ready, buddy? The buttons feel pretty snappy, but the LED isn't lighting up when they're pressed, which tells me that Presto's key fob battery is dead. Now, your key fob might not be exactly like Presto's, but the general idea to replace the battery is going to be pretty similar. First, we want to remove any physical keys that are in the key fob. This can be done by pressing the key's release button, which is probably going to be located on the same side of the key fob as the key. Press the button and pull out the key. Next, we're going to look for any exposed slots. Take some sort of flathead screwdriver, insert it into the slot, hold the fob from the sides, and gently twist. And I mean as gently as a baby's bottom. We're not going to open the fob all the way from this slot. We're just popping this one side open. We'll repeat this process going down the sides of the key fob until it separates. All right, now we can remove the circuit board to expose the battery. I'm not going to lie, I was pretty horrified to see all the stuff that got into my key fob over the years. If your fob is gunky on the inside like Presto's was, this is the perfect time to clean it. I just used a microfiber cloth to wipe out all the junk, but I didn't want to show this on camera because I didn't want to horrify anyone. At least not this time. Anyway, back to the battery replacement. We're going to baby's bottom gently pry the coin cell from the battery holder. These batteries have little codes on them indicating what kind of battery they are. Presto's is specifically a CR1632, but yours might be different. Whichever kind yours may be, you can find replacement batteries at a local pharmacy, hardware store, or online. Just make sure you're getting one with the exact same code. These numbers correspond to the diameter and height of the battery. So if you get one with a different code, it's probably not going to fit properly in the holder. Now that we have our replacement, I like to slide it in such that the two notches are over the battery. Then we can push it down so that the third notch catches. Once all three notches catch and the battery is flush with the battery holder, we're ready to reassemble the key fob. Align the buttons on the circuit board with the buttons on the key fob. Seat the circuit board into the fob and make sure it's flush. Align the keyhole slots from both pieces. Snap the pieces back together. Replace your key. Give one of the buttons a good old press. And it looks like Presto and I are ready to go get that oat milk. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the journey.